MIBS Intermediate. The only change to the stretcher is the buckles and the width. The width at the shoulder end is 80 mm wider than a standard MIBS. Operation is exactly the same as a standard MIBS. This one has a skid sheet attached. These are the new quick release buckles for the intermediate, which are simply a 3-bar slide and a square link that passes through, so they are extremely quick to disengage. And the beauty of them is there's no webbing creep with them, so you don't have to lock these buckles off. They're also attached to the stretcher at this end on a removable buckle, so that the straps can be removed for replacement or for cleaning. Head restraint and shoulder straps must always be out, and the shoulder strap put out through the top of the stretcher, ready for positioning. Also with this new stretcher is a Casualty Isolation Sheet. Really simple to use. Simply open it out. There's 2 red tabs at the bottom. It should go to the bottom of the stretcher. Join the Velcro onto the Velcro that's already on the stretcher for the skid sheet and the old CAS bag, and simply work your way up the stretcher, attaching it to the Velcro on the side. Simply pull back the sheet when you've opened it up, fold up your head restraint, your head strap now on the old style head restraints simply goes around the back. Make sure your shoulder strap is out all the way. Center your sheet, put it over your head restraint and push it down inside your head restraint. Simple as that. A one-piece sheet, no joins, no seams. Could be Velcroed in place, of course, prior to use. They're completely up to the user.